Welcome back, mathematicians. In this video, we are going to do more slope examples. So we're tasked with finding the slope of the line containing each pair of points that are given. So let's start with identifying the formula for slope. We use m to represent slope, and that's equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So let's start with identifying which values we want to be x sub 1 and x sub 2, and which values we want to be y sub 1 and y sub 2. So I would like to choose x sub 2 as negative 3 and y sub 2 as positive 2. And x sub 1 therefore would be 5 and y sub 1 would be negative 2. Now it doesn't really matter which one you pick to be x sub 1 and x sub 2. However, when you choose negative 3 for x sub 2, then you have to choose positive 2 for y sub 2. You can't mix and match those ordered pairs. Now replacing the variables with their values, we have positive 2 minus a negative 2 over negative 3 minus 5. So now we need to simplify the numerator and simplify the denominator. And what we first notice is that in the numerator, we have the double negative. So minus a negative turns into plus a positive. So that really is 2 plus 2 in the numerator and over negative 3 minus 5. So now continuing, we have a sum of 4 in the numerator and a difference of negative 8 in the denominator. Now we need to reduce by any common factor, so this would reduce by a common factor of 4 in the numerator and denominator, which means my slope is negative 1/2. Now the negative can be with the numerator or denominator, but most likely it should be out in front of the fraction. This means that we have a rise of negative 1, which means we're going down 1, and a run of positive 2, or you can have a rise of positive 1 and a run of negative 2. Now let's go to our second set of ordered pairs, and I'm going to assign positive 3 as x sub 2, which means positive 4 must be y sub 2. That means also that x sub 1 must be negative 1, and y sub 1 has to be positive 4. Now using my slope formula, I have m is equal to 4 minus 4 in the numerator, and in the denominator, when you simplify the double negative, you'll have positive 4. So what we notice is that we have a ratio of 0 over 4, which simplifies to be 0. That means the slope of this line that contains these 2 points is 0. And if we were to plot these 2 points on the coordinate plane, what we would discover is that they actually form a horizontal line. So all horizontal lines have a slope of 0. All right, guys, good luck.